Alright guys, today I went to move my Chevy pickup and I went to put it in full drive and it just wants to grind and growl and it won't seem to go in full drive. And so I think it's a good old full drive actuator, which I have another one here to replace. I bought it for my last Chevy truck, which was only in it for a couple months, and I saved on her. So we got it there. I was going to pull her up on the hill to drain all this water out because it finally thawed out. It got to a whole 50 degrees today. But so I'll show you guys how to pull this full drive actuator and switch it out, because I think that's the problem, but I don't know quite yet. We'll have to do a little fixing on that, and if that's the problem, then I'll let you guys know. First thing a guy's got to do before he crawls under his Chevy pickup is climb in here and set the good old parking brake all the way to make sure your fancy truck doesn't run over you. And then we'll go ahead and do a little popping on the hood, get a little more light under there for when we lay in the mud, because truck's stuck in one wheel peel mode on ice and mud, so it won't leave, but there's of course a large puddle underneath. Great. Let's pop on the hood, and that full drive actuator is right down there somewhere. You can kind of see it. No, you can't. I'll show you guys in a minute from down below, but I'm gonna go get something to lay on. Alright, so what you're going to need for this is your multi-fastener extractor, commonly known as a crescent wrench or adjustable wrench, and your dollar store variety flashlight, and your part. Alright guys, what you're going to see there where the flashlight's pointing, that's your actuator, and then over there is with a clip you pop the wire out of it, and then you go ahead and pop the clip apart, and then you spin this out with your crescent wrench. Alright guys, as you can see, the wire is popped off there. You just take and push it up on the clip, and then now I just took my too lazy to go to the toolbox wrench and spun it loose. And it wasn't very tight, they shouldn't be too tight. But now you just spin her on out, like this. Shouldn't take too much. You're gonna spill a little gear oil most likely, especially since this thing's on a downhill slope. But if it spills, it means there's some in it, right? There we go. So now we're pulling out the plunger. Like so. Get our new unit. And slide her on in. So you can use some sealant and stuff, but that's overrated. Now we just gotta work her on in there. Kind of a two-handed job. There we go. Alright, let me tighten her in, and I'll be back with you. Alright, now we got her spun up there as tight as old finger tightener can do it. If I can hold the phone and the flashlight at the same time. There we go. Now you just tighten it. Till she's snug. Put a wrench next to your dome. Now we push the wiring harness over, so you got your two connectors, and you just clip them on together. Flip her over the right way, like so. Just line them up, and until you see it clip. Now you push this up. That should attach itself right here, somehow. Yeah, that's stuck on there. So now she's all put back together, and I'm gonna go hop in the truck and test on her. Alright guys, we got her down in the two-wheel drive mode right now, and we're gonna go ahead and start her up and put her in the full drive and see if it works. That damn buzzer's getting obnoxious. Put her down in neutral. Hit the old yanking stick and pull her back. Now watch that light on the floor, see if she goes in the full drive. Come on. Put her in reverse. There we go. It wasn't popping the full drive all the way. It ain't got no 4-wheel drive. That light on the floor came on. Alright, I'll be back. I gotta go look into this. This is pissing me off. Alright guys, so I switched over to the actuator, which that'll be this video, but I believe I need a new transfer case now. I don't know why it popped, but it popped, and it seems that there is no full drive at all. Even though after a little while I got it to, of popping back and forth, I got it to engage, and like it grabbed, and I got to move it a little bit in full drive, but then as soon as I stopped, it stopped grabbing full drive. So I think the splines are stripped on the inside of the transfer case, which I haven't done anything to warrant them breaking, but anyway, we'll go ahead and I'm going to look for a transfer case, and I'll have a video on pulling the transfer case and switching it out. But for now, I'm going to post this video as how to change the full drive actuator. Because the actuator works, it clicks into full drive, it just doesn't go nowhere. But we'll fix that. I got a bunch of other projects this week, which you'll probably see videos on. But thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the content. And give us a like to show the YouTube that we're a good fella.